I loved the first pink Planners Anonymous box, the exclusive box from Michaels. I loved it so much that I was so excited to see a second box was recently released. So let's check it out. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch 2 videos a week about planning and productivity so that you can create a powerful plan. Planners Anonymous does a monthly subscription box just like this box. Each month is a little bit different and customized. I will have 2 links in the description for you. One for this box specifically from Michaels and one for the Planners Anonymous subscription along with a coupon code. So let's check it out. It comes with a drink cup, Planners Anonymous travel mug. There you go. Cute in our theme little sunflowers. Let's look at the paper first and then we'll get into the goodie pack. This paper is so good. Their paper has colors on both sides of each sheet. So the first one is sunflowers with green on the back. Look at these butterflies. They're like a lavender and like periwinkle blue. Super pretty with a little polka dot on the back. Here's the sunflower truck along with some butterflies and sunflowers and boots and a basket with a white background and then an orange kind of plaid on the back. Sunflower on like a light green with stripes. And our little girls, they're so cute. I love those. They're so sweet. And then a pattern on the back. And another little sunflower design with like a lavender diagonal stripe. Okay, let's check this out. There's a little note card about the box from Sammy Gale, who is the owner and creative behind Planners Anonymous. Oh, look how sweet that is with the little, what is that called? That rope? It has a name. I can't remember it. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm going to slide it off. So there's a notepad in here. Oh, there's Sammy Gale's story about Planners Anonymous. Here's the notepad up close. It has a green lined paper with our sunflowers and butterflies. Really big pack of paper. Okay. Then we have the die cuts. I have not even tried using the die cuts yet. I honestly forgot to try them out in the plan with me, which I will link up here. I did a plan with me with the pink box from Michaels. Let's move this over. But these are so pretty. Like they're good thick cardstock die cuts. Books. Butterfly. Boots with gold. Love those. Some lemonade. I wish I had that right now. Sunflower with the butterfly. Sunflowers. A purse. Sunflowers. Our girl. Yellow. A golden. Is this a golden retriever? Leave a comment and tell me. Does that look like a golden to you? I think it is. Okay. And the truck. Will it fit in my screen? It'll fit there. Hello, sunshine. These note cards are so pretty. This is one of the prettiest parts of this, I think. I think there's 4. 4 note cards with gold foil. Blank on the inside so you can decorate them. Little sunflower on the back. And then some coordinating envelopes. It's just pretty. Stickers! Okay, we love the stickers. Okay, this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to zoom in a second, don't worry. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 4 sheets of stickers with gold foil and 4 of the paper stickers. These are boxes and checklists. These are some banners. What is that, like a door? A fence. Bill do some banners. Boxes and checklists with foil. Boxes and icons and some of our little sunflower design there. Look at those flower checklists. Those are so cool. I like those. And then the boxes that have little sunflower design around the outside. That's cool too. Look at those cute doggies and the little girl. She's playing frisbee with her dog. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, this one's for me. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Yes. Habit trackers. And days of the week. Next up is the sunflower pen. Gold, what do they call that? Hardware? I think it twists and I think it's a ballpoint. Let's test this and the washi tape in just a second. Washi tape, oh yeah. So it looks like there are 4 designs of washi. Sunflowers. Green, what does this say? Is it upside down? Green, we're gonna look at it in just a second. Butterflies, look how pretty those are. And some like watercolors. Let's try them out. We gotta start with the sunflowers, right? Sunflowers. Let's do this green thing. Oh, I love the butterflies. Oh, this is pretty too. Oh yeah, that's super pretty. Oops. Let's trim these off. Oops. The washi is so pretty. Let's test out the pen too. Ooh, it writes good. It writes super smooth. I really like it. So what do you think about the Planners Anonymous Michael's box? Sunflower design. Is sunflower your favorite? Leave a comment down below and tell me if sunflower is your favorite flower. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!